Welcome back to our new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about assigning posting period variant to the company code. Okay. In our previous session, we have created a posting period variant called ABPV. Okay. Now we are going to assign this ABPV posting period to the company code ABCT. Okay. I will explain you very clearly about this and watch this follow this session until the end. Let's log on to our SAP screen first. Okay, if you want you can follow through our previous sessions in order to know what is meant by posting period variant and how does a posting period variant is created. Okay, now log on to screen. The command code which is used for assigning posting period variant to the company code is OBBP. Okay, you will get a screen like this. Then you need to click on position. Here you need to give the company code. Here already it is been fetched, like you can give AB star. Click on the tick mark. Here you could see the company code and the company name and the company place. This is the company which we have created earlier. Now we need to give the company code the posting period variant ABPV. Here you could find the posting period variant which we have created. You need to click on the save, create a transport request, give the text as assigning posting period variant to company code. Click on the save, click on the tick mark. That's all, it's been saved. Here you could see like the data was been saved. Then we could do a follow-up check, give /n, give again OBBP, hit enter and go for the position and search with your company code name, hit enter. See, here you could see like ABCT and the posting period variant ABPV has been already assigned. Okay, and that's all for this session, guys. I hope you guys understand this topic very easily, and I hope that I have given a crystal clear explanation. And this is the real-time explanation, and I request you to give a like if you think like my explanation is worth, and you could share this video to your friends who wish to learn Sap Fico in a beginner stage, and also you could subscribe our channel for more upcoming sessions. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.